Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is yet another app review session, and in today's episode we are reviewing Weebly. What is Weebly? It's a super simple, quick website builder that you can build your own website in no time. So, Weebly is a versatile website builder designed to cater to individuals, small businesses, and e-commerce store owners. Weebly is famous for its ease of use and affordability. Weebly offers a wide range of features that allows users to create professional looking websites without any technical expertise. It has this platform where you have the visual drag and drop interface, and you can customize a lot of pre-built templates that makes it easy and accessible for everyone to quickly create their own websites. What are some of the striking features of Weebly? Weebly offers a drag and drop builder. That means you can easily drag and drop elements and customize and put your website really quick. You can make use of the existing customizable templates which are modern, responsive, and elegant. Weebly also offers tools to integrate e-commerce functionality, including product listings, inventory management, secure checkout, payment processing, and everything that you need to sell online. You can also sell online goods and products. Weebly includes a built-in SEO features like customizable meta tags, alt tags, automatic sitemaps, and much more. The best part is that the websites and the template that you will generate from Weebly are already mobile optimized. It comes with integrated analytics and also helps you to integrate Google Analytics or any other leading analytics platform into the website. It also has blogging capabilities to set up and manage your own blog. It comes with customer support via email, chat, and phone. Talking about the pricing, there is a free plan through which you can build your own website and have all the basic features that are required, like SSL security, 500 MB of storage, Weebly branded domain hosting. But if you are looking for something more personal, more customizable, you might want to go on to the paid plans, which starts at $6. What are some of the pros? It's pretty easy to use, I would say, compared to other platforms that I have reviewed. Weebly's intuitive drag and drop editor makes it simple for anyone to really build and manage a website, and irrespective of their technical skills. It's pretty affordable. The pricing for small businesses is pretty relatively cheap and can also be in the budget. It also offers e-commerce capabilities. That means not only just a simple site, but you can build an entire e-commerce online store. It has the integrated app center. The app center allows users to extend their website's functionality with various third-party integrations. Let's talk about the cons. Limited customization options. If you're a power user looking for more advanced features, maybe Weebly will not be able to fit your bill, but again, do give it a shot to see if that fits your bill. Limited free plan. The free plan includes Weebly branding and limited storage. Some SEO limitations are there. While SEO tools are provided, it's not as comprehensive as you would want as a custom user. E-commerce fees. Weebly charges transaction fees on sales made through the platform, unless you are on a higher performance plan. Let's check out the website and demo. Go to weebly.com, get started with our powerful free website builder, and you can create your own store, online store, or websites easily. Now you can scroll down to see the templates that are available. Weebly is part of the Square company. That means you can also get point of sale tools and much more. So these are all the ready-made templates that you can easily customize, use, and you can get online easily with a website like this. Now talking about the pricing, go to pricing and you would see there is a free basic use website that you can get started. It has SSL, third party embed code, and shopping cart, unlimited items, quick shop, etc. Whatever basically you need to set up your own online store. It has marketing tools, support, SEO, everything inbuilt. All right. So go ahead, explore the themes, explore the blog, features, photo studio, SEO guide, and everything that you need to get your own online website ready in no time. It's an excellent platform. I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for one. Do check it out. Do let me know in the comments section your thoughts on what is your take on Weebly. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. We'll keep hunting and exploring more apps for you. So happy exploring apps. Subscribe to my channel.